Number 6. Sentry rest. Do you ever feel like no matter how much you do, it's never enough? Like there's this constant pressure to do more, be more, achieve more? We live in a world that glorifies hustle culture and productivity. But what if I told you that the secret to success and happiness lies in the art of doing nothing? No, seriously. There are actually 6 types of rest that everyone needs. And by the end of this video, you'll discover what they are and how to incorporate them into your life for a more balanced and fulfilling existence. So let's dive in. Number 1, mental rest. Are you constantly bombarded with thoughts? Does your mind feel like a never-ending to-do list? It's time to hit pause and prioritize mental rest. Your brain deserves a break from the constant worry. But how do you do that effectively? Meditation is a powerful tool for quieting the mind. Even just a few minutes of focused breathing can make a difference. Imagine starting your day with a clear, calm mind, ready to tackle anything. That's the power of mental rest, but it doesn't end there. A quiet walk in nature is also incredibly restorative. As you stroll amidst the trees and greenery, your mind will find solace in the tranquility of your surroundings. It's like hitting the reset button for your brain. And don't worry if you're not a meditation guru or a nature enthusiast. These practices are for everyone. So go ahead, give them a try, and experience the transformative power of mental rest for yourself. Number 2, physical rest. Are you constantly on the go? Does your body feel like it's running on empty? It's time to prioritize physical rest. Your body needs a chance to recharge and rejuvenate. One of the best ways to achieve physical rest is to simply get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. It's like giving your body a nightly tune-up. But rest doesn't have to be limited to sleep. Stretching is another fantastic way to relax your muscles and improve blood circulation. Picture this. After a long day, you come home and spend some time stretching out those tight muscles. You feel the tension releasing from your body as you take deep breaths. It's pure bliss. You might even consider gentle exercises like yoga or tai chi. These activities not only promote physical relaxation, but also help you connect with your body in a peaceful way. The bottom line, physical rest is essential for overall well-being. So make time for it. Your body will thank you. Number 3, emotional rest. How often do you feel like you're wearing a mask? Does it feel like you're hiding your true emotions? It's time to prioritize emotional rest and embrace authenticity. One way to achieve this is by saying no when you're tired. Stop taking on more responsibilities than you can handle. Prioritize your emotional well-being and set healthy boundaries. Being true to your feelings is another key aspect of emotional rest. Allow yourself to express your emotions, whether it's joy, sadness, anger, or fear. Bottling up your feelings will only lead to burnout. So go ahead, let it all out, and find release in the rawness of your emotions. Remember, being authentic is not selfish. It's essential. Emotional rest is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every step towards greater emotional freedom. Number 4, social rest. In our hyper-connected world, it's easy to feel like we're always on display. The constant pressure to socialize can be draining. That's why social rest is so crucial. Not about disconnecting from the world, but rather recharging your social batteries. Spending time with close friends and loved ones can be incredibly restorative. Share your thoughts and feelings, laugh, cry, connect. These are the moments that truly nourish your soul. However, it's also important to know when to avoid huge gatherings or events. Sometimes stepping back from the social spotlight can give you the space you need to recharge. Remember, prioritizing social rest is not a sign of being antisocial. It's a conscious choice to invest in meaningful connections and protect your emotional well-being. Number 5, spiritual rest. Are you feeling disconnected from your inner self? Does life feel like a chaotic mess without purpose? It's time to prioritize spiritual rest. It's not about religion, but rather finding meaning and connection. One way to achieve spiritual rest is by practicing mindfulness. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty around you, the sound of birds, the warmth of the sun on your skin. These simple things have the power to ground you in the present moment. Nature is another powerful ally on your spiritual journey. Go for a walk in the woods, sit by a lake, feel the grass beneath your feet. In these moments of stillness, you'll reconnect with the rhythms of the universe. Remember, spiritual rest is personal and unique to each individual. Explore, reflect, and find what nourishes your soul. And now the moment you've been waiting for. Number 6. Sentry rest. Last but certainly not least, sentry rest. Do you ever feel like there's not enough time for you? Does it seem like your days are packed with activities with little room for solitude? It's time to prioritize sentry rest and carve out time for just being. One way to achieve this is by enjoying some quiet time. Find a cozy spot, grab a book, or simply sit in silence. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the present moment without distractions. It's during these moments of quiet that your mind can wander, creativity can spark, and that you can find solace in the beauty of solitude. Sentry rest is not about escaping from life, but rather integrating it fully. By taking time to be present in the quiet moments, you'll return to the world refreshed and ready to embrace each moment with gratitude. But our exploration doesn't end here. To continue your journey towards a more balanced and fulfilling life, check out the recommended videos that you see on the screen right now. They redesigned to help you dive deeper into the transformative power of rest and inspire you to prioritize your well-being. Remember, prioritizing rest is not a luxury, it's a necessity. So go ahead, explore these resources. Embrace the art of doing nothing and discover the profound impact it can have on your life. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Together, you can spread the message that rest is not the enemy of productivity. It's its best friend.